What is up, party people? It is Allie. Welcome back to my channel. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, then you wouldn't know that I was in New York City for about a week-ish. I posted a ton of pictures and Instagram stories and all that jazz. I had so much fun. But as you all know, if you've traveled before, with traveling comes a lot of mess before and after, and a lot of errands to run and a lot of things to do. It's just kind of madness all around when you're traveling. I mean, you can be as organized as you can be. There will still be mess when you come back from laundry, from the trip or whatever, or mess that you left behind. I'm the type of person that like leaves my room clean and leaves everything clean for when I come back because I know there's gonna be mess anyway. For some reason, I came back and my room was clean and everything, but I just had so much mess. I have laundry that I need to do. So that situation is what brings us to today's video. I don't even have my bed made. This is just like such a raw situation because honestly, I always have my bed made for videos, but today we're just a little bit messy, okay? So we're going to be fixing that situation. We're gonna try to do this in about an hour, hour and a half. I have a lot of laundry to do and I have a lot of things to like clean and prepare and organize and whatever. I have a lot of clothes to put away as well. So we're gonna try to figure all this out, and I have somewhere to be. I'm literally like completely dressed and everything, shoes on and everything, because I want to be out the door before 12. It is about 10:10 right now in the morning. So yeah, I know that's like a lot of information. Like I'm just like boom, boom, boom. But then I have so much to do. Today's a pretty busy day. Have a ton of errands to run, and I'm hanging out with friends later. So I just want to get everything done before I go. I don't want to come home to a messy room or come home to laundry to do. So yeah, we have a lot to do, and we have only about an hour, hour and a half to do it. So let's get started. So we're gonna start off with cleaning my bed, or making my bed. There's no such thing as cleaning my bed. Duh. We're gonna start off with making my bed, but there's one thing that I want to address. I have one pillow. So story time. The day before I went on my trip to New York, I had a sleepover with my friends actually. We had a sleepover and I literally left my pillow and my favorite blanket that I can't sleep without at her house. It's been fine. It hasn't been as stressful of a time or as stressful of a sleep as I thought it would be. I've actually been living my best life. But don't judge me when I make my bed that I only have one pillow, okay? I'm gonna try to fake it and like steal a bunch of pillows from around my house. So this is the dilemma right now. I have one pillow, but let's make our bed so we don't waste any time. I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence, a rhapsody for you and me. Then you came and you cut me loose, was solo singing on my own. Now I can't find the key without you. Now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Made my decision to test my limits, cause it's my business, God has no witness. Stop what I finished. I'm locked and loaded, completely focused, my mind is open. Makes me feel like a dangerous woman. She just wants to be beautiful, she goes. Maybe we have made her blind, so she tries to cover up the pain and cut her woes away. She says beauty is pain and there's beauty in everything. What's a little bit of hunger? So now, I don't know why I'm sitting like this. Now that I've put away all of my clean laundry, it's time to tackle the dirty laundry that's been accumulating since my trip. All right, y'all, we're taking a short little pause. It is currently 11:59.
I'm genuinely concerned.
I was planning on being done by now, but I'm taking a pause to literally eat lunch. My mom made me some delicious food and I'm not about to wait until I'm done filming to eat it. So I'm just gonna eat it, chill a little bit, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and just be a little bit behind schedule so I can have a full stomach when I'm out and about on these streets. So yeah, I'm gonna chill out on these streets. So yeah, I'm gonna eat, and then the last thing I have to do is clean my table, and then we're out the doors.
I am literally crying.
All right, party people, we are officially done with my room. We did laundry, we put away clothes, we cleaned everything, and it is only 12:05. So we're only 35 minutes late, and it's only because I actually ended up eating lunch. I wasn't planning on doing that, so I'm totally fine with being a little bit late. I'm about to head out the door right now. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product, and we're gonna head out the door, we're gonna do errands, we're gonna get this bread today. Get this bread is like the funniest meme to me, so I just had to say it. But yeah, we are officially done, and it feels so good. And I lit a candle, my room is disinfected and clean, and it smells nice. Ooh, let me spray some Febreze. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I also have a music channel. I did a little bit of singing in this video. Not as much as my normal cleaning videos, but we wanted to be productive, so I didn't take any time to sit down and sing. I just kind of sang along to the songs I was listening to. But if you want to hear my covers, reactions to new songs and albums and all that jazz, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my music channel, Music by Alli 7. And also make sure to turn on the post notifications for this channel and also my music channel so you don't miss out on more cleaning videos. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye!
And I don't know why you do, 'cause I'm no good to you.